What do you mean?
Like, you can flip it like... I wish you could stick on that.
You wish I could sing?
No, I wish you could stick on this. Hey guys, we're back at Haiti, and I'm trying this coconut cloud. Look how pretty. Should I mix it or should I just leave it?
No, first just do a little mix when you... Oh, that was nice, the way that went down.
Okay, this is just milk.
I need to get my friend a birthday present for mom.
Just try that milk. It's actually coconut though.
Oh, it died.
Oh.
I'm joking.
This is really good. This is my new favorite. This is my new favorite.
Oscar!
Try it.
I know what it tastes like.
Okay, they don't.
Shake the dog.
I got your one, but I don't have. We're just having a little meeting about music. This is my manager, Lydia. She's hideous. she's the beast.
But you get the ones I send you, no?
Yeah, I do. Hello. Hi guys, so this video is sponsored by Songmont. This is my everyday gorgeous little satchel. She's sweet, she's classic, she's timeless. She elevates every outfit. So effortlessly cool. What I love about Songmont is the attention to detail. The leather is imperfect, which I love. There's texture, there's dimension, it's beautiful, and it feels like an aged, worn-in, gorgeous little bag. It also has this 1-second clasp opening mechanism that makes it super easy. I know the word chic is very overused nowadays, but this is truly chic. It's chic, it's chic. This is so itsy bitsy and cute, but it holds so much. Lots of little compartments, like you've got this, and in here you've got a little section. I have purse, I have digital camera, I've got my lip gloss, my gum, my little bear, and we've got the duffel bag. If I need to hold a lot, then I'll use this. They're made from the same material, which means they match perfectly, and this is super lightweight and perfect for traveling. This one is my airport travel studio sleepover bag. I just unpacked everything to show you because it was full to the brim. I have my books in here, my journal, my headphones, my cameras, the supplements. This is a herbal supplement that I got in LA. My vocal steamer that I use for the studio, and this mask everywhere, just in case I'm gonna have a long journey. I wanna do it. That face mask is incredible. Also this beautiful little glasses holder. Pilates socks. This is just like my essentials bag, and then this is my everyday. You can also change the shape of this duffel bag. I just like it a little bit more like a bowling bag, but it can also get bigger, you know? I've just tucked it in. All of the zips, all of the hardware is fade resistant, which means it's going to age beautifully. I've gotten compliments every single time I wear this bag, and yeah, I just would highly recommend. So cool, so easy to style. You will be everyone's airport crush when you're wearing this, and this will attract a lot of female attention asking where it's from, so warning. You can use my code YAZ12 for 12% off. Hey guys, we've got some Joe and the Juice. Look how cute it is, it looks so bright. When did you get this? Because that is like insane quality. And it's so like compact. How would anyone ever know? I know. Anyway, I got an iced latte with vanilla syrup. I got a matcha, but it tastes really matcha-y.
You don't like coffee?
No, it's really nice. It's not very coffee.
Sorry, I just...
And we got bagels.
We're trying to figure out who's...
Is this mine?
I don't know if it's yours, mine, or Sammy's. Okay, no, this has got to be mine because I didn't get anything hot. What did you get?
I got sausage, egg, and cheese.
It's fine, I'll just leave it in here.
Harry!
Let's see. we put our names down. Wait, oh my god, that looks insane. That looks insane.
Go for it, girl.
No, after.
Try it.
Wow, that egg is so yellow. No, don't call him. Oh, it's really cute.
All time.
Oh, what's in my bag? Vogue edition. I'm a pour up the
Cheers. I feel like this is nice. Thank you, Honest Super.
transition.
Guys, we're doing karaoke with these random people.
Just a small town girl living in a lonely world. She took the midnight train going anywhere. On and on, strangers waiting up and down the boulevard, but shadows searching in the night to get my feel. Everybody wants a thrill.
I'm about to go meet my friend. I feel so bad. I'm so late. And she's already been there, so we'll see. It's raining. It's not the freaking vibe. But the outfit is cute. We got this thrifted vibe. This. We've got capris. Not even capris. They're just like trousers. And then these shoes that I just got on Vinted. So cute. It is. I just got splashed on. We're at
Hello.
We're going to this hotel.
Yeah, we're at the Obo.
We're at Owa Hotel.
I think I'm underdressed.
I think we're both. Oh no, I think we're gonna be fine. They didn't say black tie. It's okay. Okay, guys. I don't know what we're here for. I don't know what we're doing, but it's a little side quest. Hi, you're my best friend, my bestie.
No, it's not that bait as well. Like, it's not some massive
No, it's so easy.
thing. That looks like a little phone.
Yeah, I love it.
Wait, is it recording?
Yeah. Nice. Welcome back. So it's a gloomy, rainy day today. I've been sat inside all day and I'm like, you know what? I refuse to have a shit day today. I got this brick thing recently and you basically scan your phone on it. I'll show you the app. This is not sponsored, but you basically scan it like literally like Apple Pay, and then it disables whatever apps you want to disable. It's really helped me with scrolling, but I seriously need to get out the house today, so I'm gonna get my nails done. I'm gonna go work out. I've like got my workout clothes on under this so that I can just go. And yeah, I feel really sluggish and gross. I probably need a coffee or a matcha. Maybe I should go get a matcha. I'm putting a lot of pressure on myself to get this music finished and like get everything done. And I feel like it is falling into place, but it just takes a lot of energy. So I'm tired. I'm tired. Live for me and not her. 'Cause girls my age look better. I've made some real big mistakes. The way you sold me for parts as you sunk your teeth into me. You said it was true love. Hey, baby. Hey, girl. Have a pickle.